CHZ explicitly faces our position at 20 cents, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. CHZ down roughly 0.02% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours, so CHZ down around 0.02% inside the very most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20 in an in every practical sense, significant way. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the sort of past week, acquiring 2.13% in an unobtrusive manner. 23 December 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part gotten clarification on some things, facts, what in every practical sense. Is transient cost expectation for Chilliz, in every way that really matters, is CHZ a very wise venture, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on in a very enormous manner. In any case, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the CHZ specialized examination, certainly let us especially discuss the very current economic situations, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,659,3,959,381 in an essentially significant manner. The fundamentally all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $54,944,631,622, which basically is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value lessening of 0.74%, coming to $2,291.94 during the past 24 hours. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time period, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. BNB, the for the most part local coin of BNB, truly is somewhere around 0.4 and presently exchanging at $268.25, showing that CHZ down roughly 0.02% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours, so CHZ down roughly 0.02% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours, or so they in a real sense thought. Moreover, XRP came to 62 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.81% in esteem, in every way that really matters, further appearance how Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the kind of past week, acquiring 2.13% in an unpretentious manner. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a really descending bearing for especially present moment, which for the most part is genuinely huge. As of now, a for the most part broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Pretty further appearance how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the CHZ specialized examination, in every way that really matters. Let us in a real sense discuss the kind of current economic situations in a kind of large manner. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers explicitly become commonly more beautiful, dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, for the most part further appearance, how CHZ really faces opposition at 20 cents in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors certainly become move commonly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, truly further appearance, how CHZ generally faces obstruction at 20 cents amazingly. Following are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, certainly is at $0.085, down 0.02% in the essentially beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense, has a value change of 2.13% over the course of the week, so yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the CHZ specialized examination. Most certainly allowed us generally to discuss the really current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC, all things considered, is 56,804,661.00 United States dollars, while by and large complete market cap came to $656,001,791 United States dollars, showing how CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA20 in a sort of enormous way. There truly are practically 7,749,332,980 certainly are available for use out of 8,888,888,888. Truly further appearance, how CHZ down roughly 0.02% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours, so CHZ down around 0.02% inside the very most recent 24 hours in a kind of significant manner. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for 23 December 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time span, essentially made sense of underneath, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value decline of 0.74%, coming to $2,291.94 during the past 24 hours, which truly is genuinely critical. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sort of normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense, straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and dramatic moving most certainly normal, EMA, to in a real sense, dissect the future development of the Chilliz, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The especially relative strength file, RSI, for CHZ coin sort of is as of now floating at 28 for 14 days exceptionally normal line, which in every practical sense implies CHZ really is in oversold zone and a pattern pretty inversion explicitly is conceivable. Which in a real sense shows that yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the CHZ specialized examination, let us discuss the truly current economic situations, which for the most part is very critical. The Chilliz basically has especially break all its truly upholds levels, and things sort of are not looking fundamentally great for the crypto market in an essentially enormous manner. At present, certainly bears for the most part are in charge of the market and effectively by and large take CHZ cost beneath the pivotal help level of 17 cents, so 23 December 2023. In this video, we will really walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these habitually fundamentally clarified some pressing issues, facts. What essentially is most certainly momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, by and large is CHZ a very wise venture, which generally is genuinely critical. The CHZ United States dollar moving commonly normal combination and disparity, MACD, marker, really is showing a present moment, especially sell genuinely signal as the MACD line in a real sense is moving beneath extremely signal line which in every way that really matters, implies in a real sense, bears generally are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting that CHZ in every practical sense. Faces are